Yo, what is up, VOD watchers? Welcome to the stream. Sorry about I probably should not have started my stream so early. Okay, I probably should have started it now. Like, I probably should have waited 5 seconds to start it. But I should have put on Roblox Studio, like, on the screen. And then I also, like, it took a bite of a sandwich right before I started my stream, so I couldn't talk. I probably should have waited until I was done eating the sandwich. Anyway, what's up, VOD watchers? Welcome to the stream. Day 2 of the second stream of the day. Let me turn on monetization. Oh, wait, did I just turn on monetization? I did turn on monetization, and I went to turn it on again. That's so weird, chat. What am I doing? Okay, well, monetization's on. I'm gonna get the link to the stream and send it to the Discord. I'm here mainly because I need to learn. You need to learn about scripting. You know nothing. Okay, so you're here so that you can also learn. Okay. I am now live, letting the Discord know. Okay, so chat. Here's what I know, alright? You can add in parts, you can scale parts how you want, just like that, right? Whatever. But scripting, usually see the server script service, you want to add a script into there, right? And then it gives you a script. So here's what I've been doing a lot to practice scripting, alright? Alright, let's say, okay. So local, let's remove local for now. For now, what we're gonna do is 5 plus 5 equals 10. Okay, you know what this is, right? This is true, but this is I don't even know why that even errors. I don't even know. I don't even know what I'm trying to do here. Okay, let's say let's say coin. Okay, coins equals 0. Yeah, you want to say a word and you want it to equal sign, right? 0. So now print it. You print coins, alright? The first time that I'm not late in. You also have a Rather Army Fox, welcome to stream. So now look, coins equals 0, print coins. What do you think it's gonna print? What do you think it's gonna print? Is it gonna print coins or is it gonna print 0? Also, I wish I could join, but I don't got Roblox. Okay, that makes sense. But you can't really join. Okay, so when I play, look, down here is where it prints. It prints 0 because coins, I wrote it, coins equals 0. So now when it prints coins, it actually prints 0 because you were defining that coins equals 0. Right? Like, this is like the most beginner stuff that I'm showing you guys right now. let's say coins equals 10, right? Now it prints 10. If you wanted it to actually say coins, you'd have to put parentheses. You have to put in like these things, you know what I mean? So now when I play, it's actually gonna put. You see that? It now prints out coins. But without that, it's gonna print out what coins mean. So let's say I did not define coins at all. Now it's gonna be confused. What does coins mean? So let's say coins equals coins. Okay, so now it's gonna print out coins because I say coins equals coins, right? You have to put it in parentheses, by the way. It's like just random texting. Like usually when you text something and there's no meaning of it and you want it to say something, like you're trying to define it as in words, like a sentence or whatever, you gotta put it in parentheses. I cannot help. That's okay. That's okay. I'm trying to like explain what I know of scripting right now, which is not a lot. So if you said coins equals, I don't know, lava, lol. Coins equals lava, lol. So now when you print coins, it's gonna print out lava, lol. You see that? You see that? So, and it doesn't even matter what you do. Let's say subscribers, okay? Subscribers equals total people, okay? Then let's print out subscribers, chat. Let's print out our subscribers. Our subscribers are cool people. I'm about to hit 1.7k. A couple of my shorts got a lot of likes and views and subs. That's awesome, Speedy. That's awesome. Or what kind of game? Wait, what? Is this supposed to be a Roblox hobby or what? Well, it doesn't. It's not really any type of game. It's just I'm learning script, and I'm probably gonna put on videos like tutorials that people have done. I'm gonna watch it and learn with tutorials while on stream. I've been watching tutorials off stream. I've been doing this off stream a lot, but I was thinking about why not stream it? Why not stream me learn? Okay. The local coins equal, let's say 0, and then print coins, right? So when you put it local, it's kind of like it's kind of the same in this small little sense. It's the same thing. It's gonna print out 0, right? But the reason why there's local is because of this. So there's do statements, right? So let's say coins equals 0, right? And then you want to do, what do you want to do? You want to do coins equals coins, let's say plus 5, okay? And then now let's print coins. So now what's gonna happen? Coins equals 0, but now you're gonna do this. Coins equals coins plus 5. So it's gonna be 0 plus 5. So when I print coins, it's gonna be coins equals coins. So it's gonna print out 5. You see this? 5. So do statements are kind of like that. How do you make things spawn like coins? That's a good question. Yo, what's up, TUC Plays? Welcome to the stream. Lazy, I don't know if this is self-promotion. If it is, I will just delete it, but I'm trying to be the only YouTuber that makes no videos, no lives, or shorts. I'll only make posts. Ooh, that's a really fun idea. That's a fun idea. And try to be the most popular YouTuber making posts. You know, that's cool, Wild Army Fox. I'll allow it. I'll allow that. That's cool. Okay, and then let's do a while statement. While coins equals 0, then coins equals coins plus 5. Wait 1. So waiting 1 second means that. Oh wait, you gotta do equal. The reason why I gotta do 2 equals is because you have to like make sure. No, it's while and do. Okay, sorry. Coins equals 0. You gotta do 2 equals because you gotta check. I'm not saying that coins does equal 0. I'm checking if it equals. This is claiming that coins equals 0. This is checking if it equals 0. So that's like this. That's the difference with 1 equal and 2 equals. So while coins equals 0, do coins equals coins plus 5. Wait 1, and then print coins. What else can you do on that? On this? It's gonna be Uno because I heard wildcarded it. Probably not. So what happens is it's gonna print 5, and that's it because it only equals 0 once because you're plussing 5 on it. So now it no longer. So then it prints. So let's say while true do. All right, while true do, and then print is down here, right? Let's make this wait 3 seconds. Why not? Print is down here, so it's never gonna print it. But the value's going up. You know why it's never gonna print it? Because it ends right here. So what you're gonna have to do, put the print coins. You're gonna have to have the print coins right here. So now when you play, wait 3 seconds, 5, and then you wait 3 seconds. It's gonna add 5 more. 10, and you wait 3 seconds, add 5 more. 15. You see that? You see that, chat? You see that, chat? That's kind of cool, right? So when you put the print out here, it's never gonna print it because it's always true. You know what I mean? Like that. It loops everything in here. It loops everything in here. So if the print's down here, it's never gonna print it because it's not in the loop. And the loop is never gonna end because it's while true do, and it's always true. It's always true. If it's a while, I don't know, while coins equals or is under, let's say 20. No, you just gotta do that. While coins under, is it under or equal like that? Yeah, okay. So while coins are smaller or equal to 20, it's gonna do this. And let's make it wait 3 seconds. No, let's make it wait 2 seconds. I don't want to wait as long. So while coins are smaller or equal to 20, then it's gonna do this loop. And then after it, it's gonna print how many coins there are. So let's wait. Let's see how long it takes. It's gonna take a bit. Hello Lazy, how are you doing today? I'm doing pretty good, Vigo, thanks for asking. So you wait a couple seconds until the coins catches up to 20. Then once it's at 20, it's gonna print 25. You see that? Because if it was under or equal to, it was equal to 20, it added 5 more. Now it's over 25, so now it does this action where it prints the coins. So once this is no longer true, once this thing right here no longer true, it skips it and it goes to the next thing. You know what I mean? So it printed 25. That's kind of cool, right? This is not the normal content I see here. We're doing a Roblox studio script and I'm learning how to script. Yeah, I never really... I think it's like my 3rd time I streamed Roblox studio. But only because I just made it a game changer command in Minecraft, so that's kind of why I'm learning scripting now. Oh, that's cool. Learning scripting in Roblox? That's fire. Alright, chat. Chat, what do you think is gonna happen here? Coins equals 0. If true, then... So this is gonna happen. Local coins equals 15. And it's gonna print coins. Do you think it's gonna print 0 or 15? Let's see. It prints 0. Why does it print 0? Because this is local. When you say local, and then it's trapped inside of this little loop thing. So if I said print coins inside of this loop, right? If I did it inside of the loop, it's gonna print 15, and then it's gonna print 0 after. See, look, 15 and then 0, because I printed it inside of the loop. So local, when you define a local thing, then it's defined only inside of the little bracket thing. Because right here, oh wait, oops. Right here it says end, right? You see, lol, I don't play Roblox, so this is new. You know, that's fair enough. Fair enough. Okay, let me backspace all that. Stop all this. Would you like to keep these changes? No. Okay, question mark, huh? Does this kind of make sense to anyone or no? Any questions? Did I say something? Yeah, I don't know why. I don't know. Alright, chat back. Okay. So if I did local coin, no, wait, I'm actually curious. Coins equals 0, right? I don't know what would happen if I did this. I make another script. And then I make it say wait 1 second, and then print coins. Okay, so no, it won't. It doesn't know what coins mean because this is on a different. So coins equals 0, which means that if true, if true then, sorry. If true then print coins. It should be able to print 0 inside of there because it's, okay. Now if I did local coin, empty code suggestion received, huh? 0. Okay, so it's and then it does nil after. That's so weird. Oh, because of the other script. Okay, I gotta delete the other script. Okay. It says that so lazy after he say it if I'm learning. Oh, I see. I see. Okay. Wait, I deleted the wrong script or what? I did. Okay, that's fine. That's why you usually name scripts, but that doesn't matter. All right, what's a fun thing we can do? What's a fun thing I can try to do? Watch tutorial on how to script. Oh yeah, everyone like up the stream by the way if you have not already. Alright, so this is the video I've been watching. I don't know if I want to watch the video on stream actually. I don't know if I want to watch a video on stream actually. Alright, this is building. Building is another fun thing of Roblox. Building is another fun thing of Roblox. I'm not good at building though, chat. I am not good at building though, chat. You can even add scripts into parts. Let's see. Okay, local part equals excuse me. Script dot parent. Local part equals script dot parent. So the script dot parent is the part, right? So I define what the part is. Let's say wait 1 sec. No, let's say wait 3 seconds, right? And then part dot color equals no. Part dot coin equals 50. I don't know. We can try that. Wait, part dot coin. Well, there's no coin like thing inside of it, but part dot. The part is the part. I'm trying to make it get destroyed. Fires immediately before, or is it defined until after? Nah, that's not what it is. Fires immediately before descent of the is removed. Nah. Nah. Part dot. Oof. Oh, there's nothing of that. There's nothing of that. I mean, we can try brick color equals brick color. No, bright. Wait, how do I change the brick color, chat? I don't remember. Odd. Brick color dot new. Okay, that's how I do it. Brick color dot new. Really red. Let's do really red. Okay, is it PvP? Okay, so in like 3 seconds it should be really red. Yeah, there you go. By rate 3 and then it's really red. And then what we can do is make it change again to another color, like blue. Bright blue, sure. Okay. I do have a PvP game getting worked on right now. So it turns red and 3 seconds later it's gonna turn blue. There you go, just like that. But then what's really cool is we can do while true do and rate. I don't know, another 3. Nah. Yeah. All these are supposed to be tabbed now because they're inside of a thing. You want to format it pretty good. Alright, so now what it's going to do is repeat this like over and over and over. Alright, so yeah, we do have a PvP. I do have a PvP game getting worked on right now. I got Jason helping me with scripting it and stuff, but it's going to be fun. But no, I'm not going to leak it because the game's too early in development, you know what I mean? The game is too early in development, so I'm not going to leak anything about it. But it's going to be fun, chat. It's going to be a fire. It's going to be fire. Oh, look at this, chat. We can make it go from blue to red, back and forth forever. Forever, chat. Forever. Now, chat. What if I did something else? Size? No. Art.size equals art.size plus 1. And then wait another 1 second. Will that do anything or no? I actually have no idea, chat. I have no idea. Aw, that doesn't work. It doesn't work that easy. Elbow, huh? It's not that easy, chat. How to use emote, sorry. It's okay. It's fine. Actually, I have no idea how. Chat. I don't know what I'm doing, chat. I don't know what I'm doing. How do I make the size dot x equals art dot size dot x plus 1. Okay, I want to do this with x, y, and z. Push ins. Okay, I got Control C, Control V, X, Y, Z, Y, Z. Okay, there you go. This might work, chat. This might work. Is it gonna work? Red, blue. Oh, it's not working, chat. That's not how you do it either. How do you do it, chat? How do you make it grow? How do you make it grow? If I hit, yeah. Okay, maybe I can show an example code. It'll show it to me, but local. Vector 3 dot new. Okay, there you go. Size equals vector 3 dot new. And then you'll type in I. If I wanted to grow by 1, I would do +1 +1 +1. But how do you define I? Or maybe I could just do local part dot size equals nah, that ain't gonna work, chat. That ain't gonna work. If I just did 1 1 1, then it's just gonna let's just do this first. Let's just do this first. Is it gonna turn into 1 1 1? Yeah. Okay, I mean, hey, at least that happens, right? At least that happens, right? But once it's already 1 1 1, it's already. So how do you make it grow, chat? How do you make it grow? Chicken jockey. True. Okay. How would you make it grow slowly? I actually have no idea how to do that. I have no idea how I'll do that. To be honest, like literally no idea. Whoa, it bounced. Okay, wait. Okay, I have an idea. I don't know either. That's okay. Local clone. Okay. What if I did everything else? Okay, local clone equals art. No. Okay, local clone equals part clone. Okay, so while true do wait 1. I want a wait 1 at the end, so I would do that right now. Okay. Clone dot parent equals script dot parent dot parent. Okay, that should be fine. That should be fine. Vector 3 dot new. Actually, I don't know how to tell. I don't know how to tell coordinates. Where are the coordinates at? Okay, 1 1 should be fine, chat. 1 1 should be. Yeah, I don't know either. Yeah. Oh chat. I gotta. Okay, what is way too fast, chat? What is way too? Oh, let's do 5. Let's do 5. You guys ready? It's making clones of the blocks like all over the place. Why don't you do clone.parent equals script.parent.parent? That's weird. Clone.position equals vector 3 dot new 1 1 1, and then we can do clone dot brick color equals brick color dot new. Let's see what's a good color. Let's do purple. Okay, so now it's gonna be purple when it does that. But the original one's still gray. Just only the clones are purple. Only the clones are purple, chat. That's kind of cool. Why does it make so many clones? Like, why does it make so many clones, chat? I don't understand. And then why does it remove those and then make new ones? I don't understand that either, chat. I don't get it. I don't get it. Like, why is it cloning it so many times? Why not just clone it once? There's gotta be like a delay or something, right? Delay. local parent, clone.parent equals script.parent.parent. I think this is what makes all of it work, right? Yeah, that's what makes it work. Yeah, I removed that line and then it stopped working. Position, without the position, I think it won't work. No, it works. Maximum re-input, okay. But without it, it like freezes. Huh. Okay. Interesting. Very, very, very interesting. I honestly have no idea what this is. What's going on? Okay. Now that's in the part, right? Alright, chat. What if I make the brilliant idea to make more words? Alright, let's do it now. Let's do it now. Let's do it now, chat. Yeah, let's go, chat. Look at that. Ah, that's funny. Okay, what if I make the idea, the brilliant idea, to make even more parts? Even more parts. Alright, let's do it, let's do it, let's do it. Oh, this is gonna be bad, chat. This is gonna be bad. That's not even loading. It's not even loading. Oh, no. You gotta stop, you gotta stop. Oh, chat, this isn't good. That was too much. That was too much, chat. That's too much. Am I gonna have to close the whole thing? No, I'm not gonna save. I'm not gonna save changes. Oh wait, no, we're good. Yeah. Oh, what's going on? Yeah, we out of here. Alright, this is game coming out. There's a new game coming out. I actually have 2 games in the progress right now. I have 2 games in progress right now. Well, like actually 5. That's not. I can probably remove. Ooh, platformer champs is good. But no, we got 5 games on progress right now. That's kind of fire, right? Okay. Let's continue. Okay, so we started from scratch. I'm gonna add in a script that says, what should we do, chat? Should we do some math? Oh, for math homework, just go into here and do result equals whatever mathematical thing, and then print. Right here, you do print equals. Okay, whatever. No equal. That was a mistake. Just print result. Whatever mathematical math question that you have at school, let's say you got to do 5 minus 3, and then plus 9. Okay, 5 minus 3 plus 9. Let's say that you had this for your homework, right? Result equals, this is, you put your math homework there, and then print result. So when you push play, it does the result right here, 11. The result's 11. So you can literally do math homeworks in here, and not just plus and minus and stuff. You can also do like PEMDAS and algebra. 5. Let's do parenthesis 3 minus 2. All right, this is oh wait, you can, how do you do parentheses? How do you do, I forgot how to do parentheses, chat. Ah, rip. Oh man, there's definitely a way though. I just don't remember how to. Oh well, chat. 96 times 23 result, boom, 2208. Okay. Well, you could also do tables. What I mean is this. Local, let's say Jimmy equals, let's say he has $50, right? And local, what's another name? Fred, he has $10, so he doesn't have as much. But while true do, okay, so let's say a week is 5 seconds. Okay, it's a week. Okay. Jimmy has more dollars, right? but he's only getting $10 per 5 seconds. And then Fred has less dollars, right? But he's getting let's say $20 per 5 seconds, okay? And then you wait 5 seconds, and now you want to print out what their money is. So let's say Jimmy Fred, then you put in parentheses Jimmy has this is gonna be his balance, right? And then right here you're gonna put a space, and then and then Fred has, and you put another . So Jimmy has boom. You want more. Cash. Let's say cash. Period. Space. Alright. So let's see if this works properly. In 5 seconds, it's gonna show. It's gonna print. Jimmy has 60 cash. Fred has 30 cash. Okay, I forgot to put a space. I gotta put a space here and a space here. Okay. So this is, yo, when you type, yo, what's up? PGKGK. So it says Jimmy has 60 cash. Fred has 30 cash, right? And then it's gonna print again. It's gonna give Fred 20 cash and Jimmy 10 cash. So Jimmy has 70 cash. Fred has 50 cash. And it's gonna go again. So you can literally make tables. What do you mean Jimmy equals rich, Fred equals kinda rich? Because look at this now. Fred has more money. So it took one. Oh wait, hold up. 1, 2, 3. It took 4 weeks for Fred to catch up to Jimmy. Jimmy equals rich. Fred equals kinda rich. Jimmy and Fred hate. Jimmy locked Fred in his basement. Fred escaped. Fred is happy now and had a family. Insane lore. Yo, true. That is actually insane. Look at this. Fred has more money now. See? Look at this. Fred has more money now, chat. Fred has more money now. He got more money. Yo, bro, use ChatGPT. I'm gonna try using it over the summer to develop a good game. Oh, that's awesome, dude. That's awesome. I'm trying to learn scripting like on my own, like actual scripting. But yo, what's up, Jordan? Will you do a Minecraft stream today? Nah, Minecraft maze. Alright, yeah, look at this. Fred has so much more money. Now I've been trying to learn scripting on my own, and so far what I found best is doing like easy, simple stuff like this. You know what I mean? Like you get better at printing, you get better at while true do, you know, while statements do, and you just, it's like what kind of game are you trying to make? But I respect it though. Well, this isn't really a game. This is just continue practicing my scripting, which is like very basics. I don't really know much, but it's like when you learn English, you're not gonna try to learn words that are like insanely crazy, like exhilarate, right? You don't want to learn what exhilarate means if you don't know what the words hello mean. So you gotta learn hello, hi, how are you? You gotta learn like simple words like that before you learn words like exhilarate and stuff. Yeah. I know a bit of Python, but good luck, bro. Hey, appreciate that, man. I do have another game, but I don't know. I don't want to leak it. I ain't gonna leak it. But I'm working with other devs, so I can't leak it. It's gonna be exciting, chat. It's gonna be exciting. Okay, so what can I do to make this a lot more fun? Let's say Jimmy had 500. Jimmy's rich. But Fred making like 5 times more. So yeah, let's do that. Ooh, somebody subscribing. Hey, appreciate that, man. Alright, so look, same table, but all I did was change the values. So now Jimmy has 510 cash, Fred has 60. So you can literally do your math homework that you get from school with scripting. Because you know how you get those those tables, like this apple generates 3 trees while this one generates 6. But this one that generates 3 has like 50 more. How many weeks until it catches up? You can literally make these in Roblox Studio. Like it does the math for you. And look, it's explaining the work. Look at it. It's literally explaining the work too. It explains it. That's actually insane. It like literally shows you the graph. And you can do multiplications, additions, and all that fun stuff. Like, it's actually crazy. You literally let Roblox Studio do all the math homework for you. Alright, how long is it gonna take? Did Fred catch up yet? No, not yet. He's about to. He's about to pass him. Takes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It takes 13 weeks for Fred to catch up to Jimmy in this kind of graph. You know what I mean? In this graph. Oh man, that's crazy, chat. That's crazy. Also, you can do stuff like this: local Jimmy, comma, Fred, and then 500, comma, then 10 or 19 or 10. You know what I mean? You can combine this, so it's saying Jimmy equals 500, Fred equals 10. And then you can do the same thing here: Jimmy, Fred, and then you can do Fred plus 100. Cause you can define things with comma just to make it like a little bit. I don't know if it makes it easy to read or not, but you can. I mean, you can do it. You can do commas. I don't think anyone really does though. Not with what I see. Now let's say this was like 2 seconds. It could be a lot faster. Whoa! Why is Fred getting 100? Chat, why is Fred getting 100 cash? Hold on, chat. Did I type in 100? Oh, I did. I did. Oh, that's funny. Okay, anyway. That's enough of that. That's enough of that. That's simple. That's simple. Local. I don't know what to do anymore. Local boredom equals 100. Let's say boredom levels, local boredom levels equals 100, right? Right. And then local sleep equals, let's say 0, yeah? While true do, and then you can do boredom levels equals boredom levels minus 10, yeah? Sleep equals if boredom levels equals 0. Oh, no, you check it. Equals 0. Then sleep equals 100, right? Am I the only one watching? Yeah, everyone else is bored. So now you want to print boredom levels, and then you want to print sleep after that. All right. All right, chat. When you play, oh wait. I forgot to add a rate. Let's wait 2. I'm about to go in 1 hour. I'm probably only streaming for like 20 minutes. Oh my, that was fast, chat. Stop. Why was that so fast, chat? Why is that so fast? Chat. Okay, stop. Chat. I broke. Okay. So your boredom level's at 90, and then it goes to 80, and then it goes to 70, and then it goes to 60, then it goes to 50, then 40, and then 30, and then 20, and then 10, and then once it hits 0, chat, your sleep level hits 100. Okay, once you like you have the like. Alright, that's because if boredom level is equal to 0, then sleep. So that's kind of cool. And then also break. Oh, and then break. You know what break will do? Break will like end it. Yeah. Will it actually? I gotta test. And then when you watch lazy, you get no bored level. You get no more boredom. True. Okay. Is it gonna stop? Is it gonna stop when is it gonna print out 100? Is it gonna print out? Ah. now. Do you know what we gotta do? We gotta do this before it breaks. You know what I mean? We gotta do this before it breaks. Yeah, now it's gonna work. Now it's gonna work. Alright, we got it. We got it, chat. We got it, chat. I fixed it. That's called bug. That's like bug testing and stuff. You gotta fix it. That's like super simple. And I did that with no tutorial, and then it's gonna print it out. It's gonna print it out. 0 100, and now it's not gonna print anymore. Ever. Perfect, chat. Perfect. Okay. Okay, that's actually so cool. That's actually so cool. This is like so easy scripting stuff, but I'm not watching no tutorials on it. I'm actually thinking about it and writing it. I'm actually like thinking about it and writing it. So let's say this. Local let's say lazy equals let's see, we're at 2,230. Wait, how much subs do I got? How much sub count? What sub count? Lazy equals sub count, right? So what is the sub count? Sub count equal. I gotta define the sub count. I gotta define the sub count, chat. I gotta define it. It's 2,239. Dang, we be getting subs. Okay. Alright. Upload. Alright. Equals yo, what's up, cleanest monkey? Welcome to stream. But 2,230 uploads equals true. Okay, I always upload. Okay. All right, so while upload, right, do sub count equals sub count plus 1. Right. We gotta add a rate statement because I forgot to last time, so I want to do it right away. Alright, so while upload subcount equals subcount plus 1, right? And then print. I can't type, chat. Print. Daisy has dot. Lazy dot subs. Boom. Viewers. I should do viewers too. Viewers equals, let's say right now we have 3, right? Viewers equals 3. Viewers equals 3. So here we do viewers equals viewers plus 2. All right. Now we gotta print our viewers, right? A lazy has dot viewers. That's the viewer count dot, and then we gotta say viewers. Bro, what is going on? Why is this? Oh, I only added 1 dot. Okay, there you go. Let's make it wait another 2 seconds. Okay. All right. So while upload, this is what's gonna happen, chat. Every upload. Wait. Print. Lazy uploaded. All right. There you go. Why are you not defining anything as variables? What are you talking about? Lazy uploaded it, right? So Lazy has 2,239 subs and 5 views. Lazy uploaded. Oh, chat, look, my views are going up. Oh, my subs are going. Oh, chat. Look, check it out. Wait. Alright, chat. This is better. Why are you not defining anything as variables? What do you mean, like doing local blank equals? I don't know. Is that what variables is? I don't know, Ikraz. I'm really new to scripting. I don't really know what I'm doing. Like, I honestly don't know what I'm doing. So every time I upload... Wait, no way. Why is it not adding anymore, chat? Subcount equals subcount plus 1. No, I gotta say lazy. No. I'm just gonna remove that. Lazy equals sub count? No. Yeah, basically. Chat. Okay, now it should be working, chat. Now it should be working. Yeah, chat. Yeah, it's working. Alright, so every time this is how it's supposed to be. Every time I upload, I'm supposed to be getting more subs, more viewers. You see how it's going up like that? Like that's just how it's supposed to be, chat. That's how it's supposed to be. Man, I'm just messing around with printing right now because I'm really bad at scripting. I really need to, viewers equals likes. Yo, true. I really need to get better at scripting. Look at that, chat. I got lots of viewers now. I got 49,000. Okay, wait. Oh wait. Why do I have so much more viewers than subs? Oh no, people are not subscribing. Oh no. Oh chat. Oh no. Look at that. Oh, that's terrible. Oh, that's terrible. Oh, that's terrible. Why do I have so much viewers compared to subs? Oh man. Oh no. Okay, I'm done with that. Okay. I'm done with this. Okay. Alright, chat. Now what? Now what? I don't know. Try make a part. Okay, I gotcha. Part, boom. With scripts. Oh, with scripts. Okay. Okay, so local workspace, no, equals workspace, right? And then do, wait, local part equals instance dot new part. Alright. Oh wait, I don't even need to do that. I don't need to. Okay. Instant particles is I don't even think I need work. Wait, do I need workspace? I might. Oh yeah, I do. Cause part dot parent equals workspace. Yeah, that's why. Part dot position equals vector 3 dot new 1 1 1. Part dot size equals vector dot new 10 10. Okay, that should work. Yes, I did it, chat. Yes, let's go. I hope you can get stuck. I didn't get stuck. I got it. Yeah. There's an easy way to do it. Really? Wait, if you just did local part equals it's not new, does that work? I don't think so. Yeah, I didn't think so. That takes one line of code. Really? No, that's definitely not it. Local park equals. Nah. Dot parent. Wait, that takes only one line of code? Wait, like of the whole thing? Local workspace. No, local part equals. Okay. Instance dot new part. And then part dot parent equals game dot workspace, and then part dot position equals vector 3 dot new. Alright, one line of code, chat. One line of code. Oh, it didn't work. Really? I thought. Oh wait. One line of code. Hey, we got. Oh wait, it didn't even do the position. Oh, I never did it. Okay, look, one line of code, chat. One line of code. Boom. We got it. Does that count, Ikraz? It was. It was one line. It was one line of code, technically. It does. It was kind of like 3 because these things, I know that those things like a thing right here, it like kind of splits up. Woo! Fair enough, but you can spawn a part in with one line. How do you do that? How do you even do that? Like, what is it? Local part equal part dot. Is it game.workspace.folder.part1? What the heck? I don't even know what this means, chat. What does this even mean? Okay. That's just weird. Local part equal instance.new part. This is all I know. Like that's all I know, chat. That's all I know. Wait, instance.new part. Equals workspace. No, I don't know. I don't know the one line of I don't know. Art dot parent equals workspace. Art dot position equals vector 3 dot new 1 1 1. I'm back. Hey, welcome back. Art dot size equals vector 3 dot new to 10 10 10. And part dot brick color equals brick color dot new. Let's do really red. And then let's do while true do. Oh, okay. While true do. Bruh. Alright, chat, we're good, we got it. You are close to doing it. Am I actually? Woohoo, let's go. We got ourselves a cloning block. What is it? I actually have no idea what it is for one line of doing it. I actually have no idea. I have no idea. What if I did clone equal part? Will it do what I think it'll do? It? No. Definitely not. Not. All you need to do is add park workspace. Wait, part workspace. Wait, no, it goes into this loop and then it now switches to this loop, huh? In the instance.new. Wait. Oh, like that? Part. Oh, okay. And then do I have to do part dot parent equals workspace. Wait, I have to do location, position. You won't need to do that. Wait, so where is it? God, where is it? I see that it's like highlighted it. Wait, but why? Oh, it's in the spawn point. Oh. Oh, so if I like move the spawn point out of the way and I play. Oh, I didn't know you could. Okay, well, it's cool that you can do part and then comma workspace. That's actually really cool. That's really cool that you can do that. That's really, really cool. Okay. Makes the code look better. Yeah, that does, definitely. Hey, ladies. Whoa, wowzers. I'm a dude. What's up, though? Welcome to shit. I'm still kind of new. Ah, that's fine. Me too. Clone dot parent equals. So now I'll be making a clone. Oh wait, but it's not even looped. I'm just kidding, that's not how you loop it. Control X? Okay, I don't know. Clone dot parent equals workspace. Clone dot wait, no, I want this in a while to do. Wait a minute. This is my favorite. That's my favorite to do. Clone dot size equals vector 3 dot new and then 10. Okay. And then clone dot brick color dot. Oh, those do purple. Wait 3 seconds and then it should clone it again. Woohoo, it's a grape, chat. It's a grape. It should clone it again. I don't know why. Why is it not cloning it again, chat? What should you do? Clone dot parent. Oh, because it's not clone. Okay, because this has to be inside of here. That's why. That's why. It looks like a big button, and the gray is the button you press. Oh, that makes sense. One big button, so I should make it red. Okay, so now it's actually gonna clone it on repeat. Okay. This item is what clones it. What if there's a king of the hill idea with that? No, like king of the, like you want the item, right? And while you have the item, it clones like coins or like that. Try to eliminate the person that holds the item, so that you hold king of the hill, kinda. Like instead of the hill, you want the item. And whoever has the item is getting coins. Yeah. That's a game idea, no? A game idea in that, right? Okay, I'm gonna be honest, that's way too slow. That's more like it, chat. That is more like it. Let's whoever has the item has to go to the hill first, and the other person try to take the item. Yeah. That is more like it. So funny. Local clone equals part clone. What do I put in here? Can I put in 100? Will it clone it 10 times? Well, I guess. Ah, it's falling blocks. It's falling blocks. Ah, it's raining blocks. There it goes. What happened to the blocks? Okay, wait. I gotta make this be like. I gotta make this go at like 5 seconds. I gotta test it. No. Okay, so putting 20 there, 10 there is not gonna make it. You could make it loop for a certain amount of cycles. The best way I can think of that, you know who Rotiv is? I've heard of Rotiv. The best way I can think about it is that like like kind of like let's say timer equals 10, right? Timer equals timer minus while timer equal or over while timer is over 0 do. So now once the timer, and then I guess I can also make it print timer. So let's make this be like a 3. Okay, this is the best way I can think about it. It's gonna print the timer 9. It's gonna do it 9 more times. 8, because once it hits 0, it's gonna stop. He's a YouTuber as well, and I love to see you do some content he does with scripting. It's pretty cool. Oh, that is cool. Okay, I gotta check out Rodev now. Yo, what's up, Veta? Welcome to the stream. I've heard of Rodev. I've heard of the name. So that should only happen like 4 more times, but I don't know. This is just the idea I thought of. So there's a better way of doing it, which is for I equals 10 do. Oh. Yeah. That's a better way of doing it. So yeah, it hits 0, chat. It hits 0, so it's not gonna do it anymore. That's what I just thought of in my head just now. For time, like I literally just thought of the timer thing right now. But you can also do 4. I equals 10 do. Like that? Why is the... Wait, why is it not... Why is there an error I do? I don't understand. Why is there an error I do? Chat? I don't understand. Local clone art dot no. Let's do a really red this time. Yeah, what do you mean do? Like, why is it for I equals 10 do? But the do is error. I don't understand, chat. I don't understand. Expected comma in parsing. Okay, I think I forgot a comma. No. Expected comma when passing x-ray. For I comma for I equals oh. Wait, yeah, I don't know what's wrong here, chat. Anyone in chat know what's wrong here? Why there's an error I do? If anyone knows what's wrong with the error I do, please chat. Oh sweet, we've been streaming over an hour. I'll check for you now. For I equals 10. I wish I did. Yeah, me too. I guess we're about to find out. About to find out. For I equals 10, do. Hold on. I comma 10. Is it I comma 10? I don't know. I could can I look at like a code for I equals 10. For I equals 1 comma 10. Oh, 1 comma 10. I forgot to define the beginning. Okay, I forgot to define the beginning of it. Okay. Size not valid member of our part. What's that even? because I forgot to have it. Yeah, gotta capitalize it. Cool. Oh, it did all 10 like instantly, chat. Cause it did all 10 instantly. Cause I forgot to do like wait 1. It's a red snake. Yeah. Okay, that is definitely faster. Better than the timer thing that I did. I just saw the timer thing on the spot because I didn't know that 4 I equals 1 equals 10 do. Okay, that's cool. Now I know about four statements. Well, that's kind of cool. And if you wanted it to do 100 times, you just add another 0. I'll do it 100 times. Red. Wait, I have a cool idea. Let's say this happens like 5 times, right? But what if I wanted other colors too, like purple, red and purple. And I want 5 of another color. What's another cool color? Blue. Red, purple, blue. Okay. I'm not going over like 500 euro Crash your studio. Not my studio. I'll do. End. But I also want it to wait. No, stop. Okay, wait. 0.05. Let me just organize it better. Let me just organize it a little bit better. Okay, there we go. Okay, you guys ready? It's gonna be crazy. Yeah, now it's multiple color snake. Now it's a multiple color snake. It's still going. It's still going. Oh, chat, it's still going. Oh, that's fire, chat. Oh, that's fire. So that's gonna do 10 times of red, 10 times purple, 10 times blue. That's fire. Alright, let's do it again. That was fire. That was fire. Yeah. Local part equals instant not new space. What if I wanted to make multiple parts? Like if I did that, it's just not doing it. Nothing changes. Never mind. There is another part, but that part I'd need it to be like part 2. I'd need it to be like part 2 and then part 3, right? Ah. And this will be like part 3. Yeah, part 2 and part 3 should change. But local clone equals part clone. How about local clone equals... How can I make local clone equals this, and this? Ooh, I know how. Let's say part 1, part 2, part 3. And then local part equal part 1, part 2, part 3. Like how can I do this, chat? Can I do this? Can I do this? You probably could put it in a function. A function, okay. How do I do that? Function. Part. No, how do you do function? How do you do function? How? Part. How do I do that? How do I do a function? I don't know how to do a function. Local part equals I want it to equal part 1, part 2, and part 3. Part 1 and part 2 and part 3. Any errors? No? Okay. It's not working though. Dang it, it's not working. It's part 1, part 2, and part 3. I don't understand. And then part is defined here, so local clone equals part, which should be all 3 of those. No, but it's not. Okay. That doesn't work. That doesn't work. Oh, I got it. I know what to do. I know what to do. That's what you do. You just make 5 of the scripts. Yeah, that's how you do it, chat. You just duplicate the script like 5 times. Yep. I gotta stop it. How about 3? How about only 3 scripts? How about only 3? Yes, sir. Nice. Okay. So that's how you do it. You just duplicate the script. Okay, you know what? That works. That works for what I was trying to get. Alright. Oh, I don't know what else to do. If I knew what to do, I'll do it, chap. I don't know what to do. You guys got any ideas for me? Because I want to do more. I don't know what to do. Done with this idea. Okay. Do you know how to do like a data store thing, like a coin, like wait, so this is gonna make a new part, right? Can you make it so that data stores are pretty difficult? Are they pretty difficult? Okay, I gotta learn how to do data stores. Yeah, you know how to make it so like I touch this, I get a coin. Local coin equals value dot. No, that's not how. No, not how. Okay, where is it at? Game dot replicated storage. Is that what it's supposed to be? Oh, let me wait. No, I did not mean to play. Vote event. No, I need like an int value. Where does it go? Right here? Where do the int values go? I don't know. Server storage? Is it server storage? Okay. Int value. Okay, so do I have to actually like add it? So local coin equals game dot server storage dot value. Okay. And then I think if I play, it'll show the coins already. No, it will not. Okay, I think I have to open it. Wait. No, I wanted to make the value like okay, so local coin equals new int value in server storage. That doesn't work. That doesn't work. But it works with that? What? Why does it not work, chat? That sucks. Okay, local, no, coin dot parent. You only need int value. Oh, so it already goes in there. Does it actually? Nah, I don't see it. Let's see to find leaderboard stats, etc. Oh, I see. Oh, interesting. Okay. Coin dot parent equals server store. There you go. There you go. I did it. What else? What is it? Coin dot value equals 0. It shows 0 coins now. Oh, that's how you get leader stats. Okay. with the leader stats. How do you do that? Yeah, I'm trying to get coins in the leader stats. I have no idea how to do that. I just see like scripter that's working for me with this game knows how to do it. I don't know how to do it. If I knew how to do it, then it's cool. It's cool. I used to know how to do it with tutorial. Like I could probably figure it out with a tutorial. I don't have it memorized. So game.player added connect function. But you need really. Connect. Got it. Oh man. Why is the game not? Alright, I'm done with it. I'm done. I give up. I give up. Wait, if I made it 10. I'm in the server storage. I give up. I give up. Too much work. Too much. I'm so slow with learning these, but okay, I'll show you. Here's one of my games. This is like one of my whole favorite. There's so much, and I scripted it all myself with the help of ChatGPT. It's kind of fire. Oh yeah, I should probably write my stats. How do I do that again? Oh wait, I click play. I go to server and I go to play. I get stats. My coins. I wanna wipe that down as 0. Wins. I wanna wipe that down because I don't like being on leaderboard. I really don't. Yeah. Let me get like a coin. Woohoo. Alright chat, I fixed it. Woohoo! Alright. I want to make sure that didn't like break anything. I'm still in the leaderboard, bruh. How am I still in the leaderboard right now? Why am I still in the leaderboard right now? Get out of there. I gotta wait for it to update. Oh, whatever. But I can leak some stuff here. I don't even know what happened. Game man. Yeah, this is like the biggest script I think there is. With 243 lines. This is crazy. ChatGPT is crazy. I don't even know what any of this stuff means. It was all ChatGPT. I can lie, this whole game was ChatGPT. It did. Alright, I'm out. This one is my first game I made ever, I think. Yeah, this is the first game I ever made. No tutorials at all. All that being ChatGPT is crazy. I know, right? It was so much time to. This one I made with ChatGPT. There's not much. There's nothing in the server scripts. All the scripts are in. Like, blocks. Wait, there's 2. Oh, okay. All the scripts I added in this. I added in the parts. What is this script? This one is so funny. What is this, dude? Okay, whatever. I think I used a. I think I copied it from another. Cube Simulator backpack. Backup. Cube Simulator was a fun game to make. Where am I? This was a really fun game to make. I don't have the coins to get late and stuff, which is why I have admin, where it's now free. Yay! It was actually so fun to make. I can lie. I made this game with no ChatGPT at all, but yes, tutorial video. So usually you're supposed to collect coins around the map to like get your size and all that larger, and you collect it with other people in the game. Yeah, this game was like a huge the point. This is like my first game I ever made that I thought was good, but never. Okay, where am I? I don't know. Oh, I'm low. Oh, okay, I'm low. Not anymore. I like the T-Rex, I think. Okay, I'm out of here. Alright. New game being worked on. This right here. I guess that's all you can see. But it's gonna be fun. Alright, anyway, I'm leaving. I'm out. I'm gonna end my stream. Bye, everybody. Thanks for watching.